Hi, hello, I am from Aislyn Technology. Today we can see swarm robot. In this project we are using, this is the master unit and these two are the slave units. Using the Raspberry Pi we are detecting the person in the authorized region. Using the Pi camera we are doing here live surveillance. Here we are using sound sensor to detect the harmful sound in the battlefield, and this is the ultrasonic sensor used to detect the object in front of the robot, and this is the metal touch sensor. Using this we will detect the metal or like mine and all. This is the Raspberry Pi unit. To control this robot we are using this Raspberry Pi unit, and this is the GPS module connected to Arduino Uno to collect the current location and to communicate with other two robots. Here we use a motor driver to control the motors of the robot, and this is the 12-volt battery power supply. And here we can see NRF module to communicate with remaining two robots. This is the slave robot. From this robot we are controlling to this robot using NRF transmitter. This is the NRF receiver. Whichever the signal sent from NRF master to slave we will collect here, and based on this the robot will move forward. Here also we used sound sensor and metal sensor and ultrasonic sensor. Whenever the harmful sound or any unknown person or any metal or anything detected, that time the signal is sent to slave robots. These two are the slave robots, and the live detected object or live detected things are sent to cloud, and to swarm robot website. There we can see the what is detected and the location at what time it is detected, and the time is also we can see on that website.